Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a tutorial of Yardi Voyager. In order to do so, here we are at yardi.com/products/Yardi-Voyager. And if you come to the site here, you're going to find that in order to gain access to Yardi Voyager, you are going to need to put in a request. So the first thing that you'll find here on the main page is if you scroll down here a bit, you'll see the option to request more information. So if you click on that, then you'll see here that you can give them a call. You can also put in your information. Up at the top left-hand corner, you'll see here where it says property management software. If you click on that there, then again, we can see that we can request info. If we scroll down, you'll see that we have Yardi Voyager here, and we have the option to view markets. So if we click on that there, then here we have a variety of different markets that we can look at. And so if we just choose any of these, we'll go ahead and choose the multifamily option here. Then again, you'll find that you're given the option to get in touch. So if we click on that, then here we go, we're back to this screen here. So if you want to take advantage of Yardi Voyager, then first of all, it is for people who are in real estate. So that's the key thing here to know. If you're in real estate and Yardi is something that you want to take advantage of, then you can come here, you can call them, or you can fill out your information. If we just head back here, we'll scroll down, and you can see that we have an option here to see how it works. We have some more information on exactly what you can expect from Yardi, but it's going to keep on bringing you back to the option to request a demo. So that's essentially how you're going to gain access to Yardi Voyager. You're going to need to actually reach out to the Yardi people, request a demo, and then from there you can begin with the Yardi Voyager platform. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you will find our top tool recommendations, as well as a link to our X page. Please join us there. Give us a follow. We'd love to have you. Click on these links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.